Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to see CATIA generative sheet metal design, cutting and stamping tool. So in stamping, next option is Louver. Louvers are created in sheet metal part to provide opening for purpose of ventilation. So generally the rectangular pattern of Louver is created on the top face of cover. So select Louver tool from stamping toolbar. So the Louver definition dialog box will be open. We can see the preview of the Louver shape in preview area, and in parameter we can control the shape by using height, angle A1 and angle A2, and two corner radius R1 and R2. So in profile area we have to select closed profile sketch as input. On the screen we can see I have created one closed profile sketch on the base element. I'm selecting the sketch as input, and in profile area we have to provide one opening line. So I'm selecting this line as opening line. Now if I click on the preview option, you can see the result. So the face will be open where you select the opening line, and you can control this shape by using these parameters. And if I uncheck this radius R1 and R2, you can see the result. The sharp edges will be created, and we can change this depth by using height option. Click on preview. Now I'm selecting R1 and click on preview. You can see the radius is provided at these edges, and if I select R2, the radius will be provided on these edges. Now also we can change these angles A1 and A2. You can see the A1 angle in preview area and A2. If I change this, the shape will be changed. Again I'm changing angle A2. You can see we can create a slope if I change this angle. Click on preview. So we have to change this angle. Click on OK button. You can see the Louver is created, and we can pattern this to create multiple entities by using transformation pattern tool. So if I select rectangular pattern, and in object we have to select this Louver 2, and we have to provide direction in reference element. So I'm selecting this edge. We have to change the instance to increase the number of elements, and also we can change the spacing distance, and again I'm changing this instances to 10 and click on OK button. So in this way we can create Louver and Louver pattern. Thank you.